Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Pintu Wallet. Pintu Wallet is a crypto wallet that allows users to store, scan and receive digital assets securely in a region. You can still access Pintu Wallet using a desktop browser and connect it to your phone. So first you need to open any browser on your laptop or desktop. You can go to the official Pintu Wallet website and over here on the search bar type down Pintu Wallet download and search for it. Over here on the top option that says pintu.co, this is the official website of the Pintu wallet trading crypto and futures. What you can do is simply double click over here and in the desktop stream you'll see this QR code in the top right corner that says download app. So over here what you can do is you can open your phone and use your camera or any QR scanner app to scan this code, and this allows you to connect your phone securely into the Pintu wallet desktop version without downloading the app from the app store. Or you can also launch it over here on the desktop by clicking on this desktop. So that's how you can access and use Pintu wallet even if it's not available in your country, either by scanning the QR code or launching it directly from the desktop. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment and we will reach out to you very soon.